quick thing before we start. If you've been watching this series, you already know the goal here. We're taking everything that makes winning on SAM.gov slow and confusing and turning it into something you can do in just a few clicks, right inside one dashboard. If that's useful to you, hit subscribe now. It genuinely helps this channel keep making these. Alright, in our last lecture, we covered problem number 13, the AI RFP Analyzer. How Sambid reads a 400-page RFP for you and hands back a real go or no-go call. You can check that one out in the playlist, Win U.S. Federal Contracts, SAM.gov. Now let's move to problem number 14 and how we solve it. Picture this. You found a $50 million opportunity, but it needs capabilities you don't have, and alone, you can't do it. It's like being asked to carry a giant table up the stairs that needs 4 people. So who usually wins these contracts today? Whoever happened to meet the right partner at a conference last year. Here's exactly how Sambid fixes it. It reads the opportunity, figures out exactly which capabilities you're missing, and searches over 140,000 registered federal businesses for real companies that fill that gap with compatible certifications. Then with one click, it actually reaches out for you. A real request straight to their inbox. Your table carriers, found in minutes, no conference ticket required. And I'll show you in the dashboard exactly how this works. Okay, I just showed you the giant table nobody can carry alone. Now let's actually look at how Sambid finds you the other 3 people, one piece at a time, using the real page. Step 1. This page is called Teaming Partner Finder. In your dashboard sidebar, it's listed as Find Bid Partners. Right at the top, in one line, it tells you exactly what it does. Find complementary businesses to team with on federal contracts. Step 2. Search filters. A NAICS code box. Type in the kind of work you need covered. 541512. Whatever fits. And right below it, real certification filters. 8A, WOSB, HUBZone, SDVOSB, VOSB, Small Business, MBE. Tap the ones you need, they highlight, and one click, find partners. Step 3. And here's what comes back. Real companies, not a directory listing. Each card shows the business name, its business type, and its actual NAICS codes, so you can see the overlap at a glance. And right there, real certification badges pulled straight from that company's own verified certifications. So you know immediately if they meet a set-aside you need covered. Step 4. And now the part that actually matters. One button, Send Teaming Request. Click it, and this isn't just a nice message on your screen. It actually sends. The other company gets a real email with your real name, your business name, and your real email address, so they can just hit reply and start talking. And at the exact same time, they get a notification right inside their own Sambid dashboard. So even if they don't check email right away, they still see it the moment they log in. Step 5. Once it's sent, the button changes to a simple confirmation, Teaming Request Sent, so you always know exactly who you've already reached out to. And here's exactly where this lives. This is the Teaming Partner Finder page right inside your dashboard under Find Bid Partners. Everything I just walked you through, the NAICS and certification filters, the real partner cards, the one-click request that actually sends, it's all right here on this one page. Now, before I go, my whole goal with this channel is to make your path to actually winning opportunities on SAM.gov easier, one real problem at a time. So if this helped you, hit that subscribe button. It costs you nothing, and it genuinely helps this channel grow. And drop a comment below. Tell me, have you ever had to walk away from a contract that was too big to bid on alone? I read every single comment, and your answers decide what I cover next.